In this how-to video, I'm going to run through posting a purchase ledger invoice that relates to the GANI and to nominal. So we go to Accounts and Purchase Ledger. As with all invoices, we then go to the top, selecting the second icon in from the left, which is Post Invoice. It will then open the posting screen. You have your nominal date at the top. This will automatically default to today's date. So if you are posting back into previous months, you will need to go and change that back. You then come down and select your account. If you know the number, enter it in. If in doubt, put 0 in and then enter, and it will then load the accounts. You can then filter and then scroll down and double click on the account that you require. You then enter your invoice number as per your supplier's invoice, and again you can amend the date if need be. You then come down, enter in your invoice total. Tab through into the next box and it will automatically put your VAT in for you at 20%. If this is different or a penny out, just amend it by over typing. You then tab across and it takes us into your nominal posting. This is where we split the invoice. I would always recommend that you deal with the nominal section first, so you can either type this in if you know the nominal code that you need to post it to, or you can use your lookup button. You tab through and it will then put the description behind the nominal code for you. You then come down to the amount and you change it to the value that you want it to be. You then pop in a reference. Once you click on add, it will lock it into the bottom box, and what you will see is it will then tell you in the amount field that the amount that you have to then match to the GANI. You simply do this now by clicking on the GANI button. It will then load the GANI for you, and you come down and you double click and select the GANI entry that you need, making sure that the value goes into the allocated column and the amount to allocate is down to 0. You then click on close and you will now see that it automatically posts it into the bottom box for you. You then simply finish the process. So we go to post at the bottom right hand corner, finish, and then complete batch. If you have a look at the account, you will then see there's your invoice, and again you can just double click onto it. If you require further information, you can look at the GANI allocation and go back to where the source came from.